Page 143. Déach an fear ar routine Liam. Bhí agla an domhan ar na páistí. Ní achas siad aon duine mar sin riamh. Seo é an doctor. Seo é mo bhuntóir. Peocann sé plandaí, sméire agus luamhanna. Múnann sé dom agus do de buacaillí eile conas leis a dhéanamh. Téim ar scoil chuige gach lá. Cá bhfuil an scoil? Ní eicim í. Seo í an scoil, an thurais. Tá sin cosúil leis na scoilna scarta a bhí in éireann fadó. Cad iad na hábhar a dhéanann tú ar scoil? Bíonn muid ag fiach ag fólam faoin iascaireacht agus faoi chórsaí leis ó na seandaoine. Roinníomid an bia idir gach duine sa sráidbhaile. Fáilíonn conas teach a thógáil agus a dheisú. Thug an fear deoch glas do Liam. Dóil Liam é go maol. Chur amach, thit sé ina chola. Cad faoi na chalíní, an mbíonn siad ag fiach? Ní bhíonn. Bíonn siad ag iascaireacht, ag garidóireacht agus ag cócaireacht. Fáilíonn sin conas ciseán á dhéanamh. Tá sin i bhfad níos fearr ná bheith ar scoil in éireann. Bhí muid is déag sa seomarainge agus ní bhíonn cead a going aon rud a dhéanamh. Bhíonn an príomhide ag caint faoi rialacha na scoile an tam ar fad. Agus an mútóir ag caint faoi obair bhaile. Rialacha na scoile? Obair bhaile? Cad iad sin? Go tobann dúisigh Liam, bhí biseach air. Bhí an teocht ard imethe. Bhí sé a réig don trus. Nach bhfuil an tá leat. Bhíonn obair bhaile a going gach oíche ach go bháin ag an deireadh seachtaine agus níl cead a going rialacha na scoile a bhriсе riamh. Bhí áthas an domhan ar gach duine go raibh biseach ar Liam. Chuaigh siad ar ais go dtí an ballún le Almar. Nuair bhí Almar ag deisiú an chiseán, tháinig Cailín le chiseán ála mar bhrontanas dóibh. Sáin libh a chairde. Fan nómad tá rud amháin eile le déanamh a going. The man looked at Liam's ankle. The children were terrified. They never saw anyone like this before. This is the doctor. This is my teacher. He picks plants, blackberries, and herbs. He teaches me and the other boys how to make medicine. I go to school to him every day. Where is the school? I don't see it. This is the school, the forest. That's like the old hedge schools we had in Ireland long, long ago. What are the subjects you do at school? We go out hunting, learning how to fish, and about medicine courses from the old people. We share the food between everyone in the main area. I learn how to build a house and how to fix it. The man gave a green drink to Liam. Liam drank it slowly, carefully. He fell asleep. What about the girls? Do they go hunting? They don't. They go fishing, gardening and cooking. They learn how to mend baskets. That's much better than school in Ireland. We are inside in the classroom and we don't have permission to do anything. The principal is talking about the rules all the time. And the teacher is talking about homework. School rules, homework, what are they? Suddenly Liam woke. He was better. His high temperature was gone. He was ready for the journey. Aren't you lucky? We have homework every night except at the weekend, and we don't have permission to break the school rules ever. Everyone was happy that Liam was better. They went back to the balloon with Almar. When Almar was fixing the basket, A girl came with a lovely basket as a present for them. Bye, friends. Wait a minute. I have one other thing for you. Notice the structure of the sentence. The verb comes first is number 1. Number 2 is the person. Number 3 is what. And with Déach we always use When you're using an emotion like agla, áthas, we use If I was scared, it would be bhí agla orm. Notice how the mach creates the H in Vúntóir. I often say that sac creates a H but not with S, so it's sashrad, there's no H after an S in this situation. When we use the word hug as in to give something, we've always put in do. Hug and do go together. Hit sé ina culla, he fell asleep. The ina, because it's his, creates the H. When we ask a question about something someone does every day, you say an mian, and if the answer is no, it's ní bhíon. Notice how you put in a H and you drop the M that was here earlier. If the answer is yes, it's bíon, so you just drop the M and it becomes bíon. He was better bhí bishak If you're talking about yourself, bhí bishak orm. Talking about you, bhí bishak ort, a girl, bhí bishak orhi. All of us, bhí bishak oring. All of ye, bhí bishak orav, and all of them, bhí bishak orhu. When we're using an emotion like áthas, we use the word so bhí áthas ar gach duine. If it was me, bhí áthas orm.